Hi guys, so today is the 24th of April 2026 and the time is 15:55. It's raining. It's a rainy day today. I'm going to show you shortly. I've got a visitor. This time I'm going to tell you who the visitor is. That's my sister, so I'm going to fetch her. Okay, I need to leave because I think she already made it to the taxi rank where I'm going to get her, because the taxi dropped her in another location and she took a local. They put her in a local taxi. Let me quickly do a quick OOTD. So I got this sweater from Mr. Price. The pants are from Sportscene, and the shoes bought them from Mr. Price, and the earrings I bought them from the streets of Joburg. I can't remember which year and where. They were not even silver. I just put they were not black, they were silver. I just put the cute text and made them black. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's go. My sister is waiting for me. Come with me.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. The roots stretch deep.
What's her name?
The earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the
Ladies and gentlemen, meet my sister. Her name is Rejoice. We stopped by the mall. We wanted to get some few stuff before going back home. It has just stopped raining.
The language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
We stopped by the restaurant to get something to eat for supper. None of us were up to cooking dinner. We were so tired. She was tired because she came from far, and I was tired because of work. Then here we were done going back. It was already dark outside. At least the rain had stopped and I was able to make a video. She likes the camera.
Forest floor opens a world through.
We decided to take a takeaway because it was getting dark and we don't like driving at night.